बट आज का टॉपिक हम लोग एजुकेशन है. मेरा एक रूल है, हम क्या करते हैं ना, हम हमेशा जोक्स लेके आते हैं.
चलो
जो भी
I like that.
टू बी ऑनेस्ट अभी तक तुम्हारा एक भी जोक मेरे
बहुत
लिए
अच्छा है,
hit
बहुत
नहीं रहा
अच्छा. तुमको डैडी जोक्स अच्छा नहीं लगता,
ओके
लेकिन इसलिए-
ओके रहा है, लेकिन दे हैव नॉट बीन अ हिट.
ठीक
लाइक
है,
दे हैव
ठीक है,
बीन गुड,
ठीक
बट यू
है.
कैन डू बेटर.
But ठीक है, चलो. I think this joke will be amazing. So what do you call TikTok when it gets into education videos and sector?
TikTok when it gets into education videos.
TED Talks.
अरे यार.
ये अच्छा था.
Yes, मेरे को approval. I got the approval.
I think मजा आया मुझे सुन के.
I got approval. Yes. एक और question. Now this is a joke जो सब लोग chicken और egg वाला cross किया सुना है. Why did chicken cross rose? तो हम education sector में आज हैं.
ठीक है.
तो
अरे.
आगे बाद में बताएंगे. But अभी why did the kid cross the playground?
Why did the kid की git?
Kid. To get to the other slide. और है, चलो ठीक है. अब एजुकेशन वाला, जस्ट बिकॉज हम लोग तीनों स्टेम से पढ़े, राइट?
Yeah.
नाउ स्टेम रिलेटेड जोक. व्हाट डू यू कॉल एन एसिड विद अ लॉट ऑफ एटीट्यूड?
बड़े अच्छा होना चाहिए. मैं छत
बहुत
से कूद
अच्छा.
जाऊंगा.
रुको सोचने दो.
Acid? What do you call an acid with a lot of attitude? Amino acid.
अबे.
This is my practice too of the open mic setup हम जो करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि
हाँ,
मेरे को ना बहुत जन पुश किया है कि तेरे ट्राई करना चाहिए. अगर तुम कॉमेडी ओपन माइक्स में जा कॉमेडी कर. awesome. तो स्पर्श सक्सेना, कैसा लग रहा है सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आके?
I am
Nervous,
amazed.
amazed?
I am amazed. I mean, I love the stage. I like the mic. But you know, this is beyond what I expected and imagined. It's
तुम
a- you
तेरा
have a
क्या
really nice
एक्सपेक्टेशन था?
setup.
एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या था तेरा?
मेरा एक्सपेक्टेशन था कि एक सेल फोन होगा, वो जो सेल्फी वाली लाइट होगी. and-
वो है, लेकिन देख ले, अगर देख
अरे
सेल्फी वाला लाइट है, लेकिन रिंग लाइट है. और
and then हम just conversation करेंगे. Maybe iPhone mic होगा. So that's what I was expecting. So this is much better. You have a really nice setup here.
It's pretty cozy. The
हाँ.
fact कि जब तुम माइक में भी जब बात करता है ना, तुम थोड़ी देर तुमको लगेगा, तुम अभी 5-10 मिनट को अजीब सा लगेगा कि क्या हेडफोन पहने
हाँ,
हैं,
हाँ, हाँ.
क्या माइक पहने हैं. बट जब ये आया ना फर्स्ट टाइम में अजीब सा लगता है. यू स्टार्ट फिजिट. हम भी बहुत फिजिट करते हैं, ऐसे करके ये घुमाते रहते हैं. बट उसके बाद जब तुम जोन में आ जाएगा ना, फ्लो स्टेट में आ जाएगा, तुमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आया कौन है यहाँ पे, दरवाजा है, टीवी है, लाइट्स है, कुछ नहीं. यू विल जस्ट कीप लुकिंग एट ईच अदर एंड लाइक कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट. एंड दिस इज व्हाट लाइक हेडफोन्स डू. तुमको जोन में इतना कर देते हैं कॉन्वर्सेशन में कि यू बिकम अलूफ ऑफ ऑल द वर्ल्ड. तुम वो मूवी देखा है लोको या कोको? सॉरी, सोल.
नहीं.
Animated movie है
हाँ,
क्या
हाँ,
Disney की?
पिक्सार का.
Yes.
तो
Yes.
Soul
ऐसा
हाँ.
कुछ नया है क्या?
तो सोल मूवी में ऐसा होता है ना कि एक ब्लैक आदमी जो पियानो बजाता है.
Oh,
because-
I've seen the trailer.
हाँ, तो उसमें ना जब वो पियानो बजाता है, वो जैज म्यूजिक का बहुत बड़ा फैन होता है. तो ही गेट्स इनटू अ फ्लो स्टेट जहाँ पे जब वो पियानो बजाना चालू करता है, पूरा दुनिया भूल जाता है.
Yeah.
तो इसमें ऐसा होता है जब तुम बात करता है ना, तुमको कुछ खबर कवर नहीं हो क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. बट people, welcome to Golan's Garage. I am your host Prakash Deep Golan. This is a podcast where we talk about facts and feelings. And today we have an episode where we only talk about feelings. Facts बहुत कम होगा. And the reason is because आज हम लोग जो topic छूने वाले हैं, that is like a little something very close to my heart and something because I am super proud क्योंकि हम जिस education system से पैदा हुए हैं, I am a result of what I am because of the education system right now, right? बहुत जिनका वो views नहीं होता है, बहुत जिनका conflicting views होता है, and that's why I wanted to bring a couple of guests जिनका educational background or atmosphere has been very different than me. If not very different, but थोड़ा सा different than me. For example, मेरे जो guest है दो आज, अभिषेक कुमार सिंह and स्पर्श, they'll be introducing themselves today. I won't take the responsibility क्योंकि the best thing I can do is like I can give them the voice and they'll introduce their journey of how they got into different bachelor programs, different master programs, they've done that. But आज का जो main topic है, that will be education. And to give you a little bit about myself, हम bachelors किए थे BIT Mesra से. It's a college back in India, and I've done my masters in done my bachelors in computer science and engineering. And I have with me today two very special guests, Sparsh Saxena and Abhishek Kumar Singh. So let's start with you, Abhishek, first. तुम अपना education background थोड़ा बता. How did you do your? तुम क्या क्या किया है and कौन कौन से college से किया and what has been your journey so far?
Okay, so just in a brief summary, so I'm originally from India and I same as Golan. मेरा भी bachelor's BIT Mesra Ranchi से रहा है. That's how I have known him. BIT Mishra में computer science. I think हमारे college में like lot of branches are offered initially, but at the end of the first semester I decided computer science is the branch because I came in दूसरे branch में, but over the period of like say first few months I think I kind of leaned towards computer science. उसके बाद throughout my life all my decision has been like towards computer science geared. So you I also did my masters here in the United States. So in United States specifically, I studied in New York. So the college that I went to is called State University of New York. So State University generally are like सरकारी स्कूल जो हम लोग बोलते हैं. In New York you have many colleges. So mine is State University of New York at Stony Brook. In that college I did my masters in computer science, and yeah, after that I've been in United States working for almost 2 years now.
तेरे टाइमलाइन क्या था? तुम बैचलर्स कब किया और मास्टर्स कब किया?
Yeah, so timeline wise I did my masters in 2018, but for my bachelor's it went from 2011 to 2015. So there is a bit of a gap. Maybe we can discuss on it as we move further into the
Awesome.
podcast.
And the second guest that we have today is a very special friend of mine. And usually सब लोग मेरे को ये बोलता है कि जब तुम guest लाता है तुम कैसे choose करता है guest. तो the way I select guests is I usually bring in my friends or I bring in people जिनके साथ I love talking or love having conversations with, because this whole thing is a very selfish motive for me. मेरे को conversation करना, I want to enjoy conversation. So I have with me the second guest who is Sparsh Saxena, and I'll let him define उसका college journey वो क्या किया and उसका educational journey. So over to you, Sparsh.
Of course, thank you, Golan. It's always a pleasure talking to you. And मुझे already लग रहा है I can get a sense that this is going to be a very interesting conversation.
yeah,
because
totally.
we all have very different educational journeys. So me, in my case, I did my bachelor's here in the US.
Okay.
I came here when I was 17, about to get 18. I came to Penn State University to do my computer engineering. And fundamentally, the reason I was here was early on in my life, maybe 7th or 8th grade, I realized that, I was never a scholar. You know, I was not the person who would get 99% scores. But at the same time, I realized that life is so much more beyond that. And throughout my school journey, you know, through extracurriculars, through writing, through speaking, I realized that I could, you know, achieve what I want without looking at everything else. And so वहाँ से जब मैंने ये सारी
What do you mean you can achieve everything without
so
looking at it?
देखो छोटे होते हैं ना तो you have a very small motivations, little things like my classmate got her picture in the newspaper for scoring 95%. वो एक छोटी सी picture आती थी जब grades
तेरे को भी मिला था ना वो शायद? तुम
हाँ,
topper था
मतलब-
ना?
I wanted to say something on that.
exactly.
कि, I had like slightly opposite a life growing up from you. So I have always been like in the top students. At least like the worst case scenario, I would have been like top 5 student in my class. So by that, like sometimes you get treated special by your teachers, or like even in your peers, some people come in like, you know, वो लोग पूछते हैं कि ये problem कैसे बनाओ. So although you might not be the most athletic kid or you might not be the most good looking kid, but when you are a smart kid class में ना, you get the confidence like when you walk in the class like, hey, yes, I know, I'm at least in some sense, or like it could be just like the brain thing.
You feel
But
proud. You
yeah, I
feel
feel proud. Like I
you have
feel
a
like हाँ
good
थोड़ा
sense
एक
of
confidence
self-esteem.
boost होता है.
correct.
So I think यहाँ पे थोड़ा हम लोग का difference, or not थोड़ा difference, but हाँ like you said you.
तो तुम top 5 में था कि नहीं था?
नहीं तो
Okay.
अब आगे क्या स्टोरी है, you know, so छोटी सी मोटिवेशन, यार फोटो चाहिए, अब कैसे आएगी फोटो. So then I started writing,
Okay.
and then I started writing for a national children's magazine called as Disney Adventures back in the days. I was able to actually interview lots of celebrity.
This
spoke-
was back in India.
Yep, 8th 9th grade I spoke to
तुम कहाँ से पढ़ा है? तेरा high school
Delhi.
कहाँ से है? Delhi. कौन सा
Delhi.
school?
Ghaziabad.
Ghaziabad, okay.
So there's a
Okay.
school called as DLF Public School. It's a
Mhm.
very small school in my locality. So I was interviewing Shan. I was interviewing
Sure.
uh,
तो बहुत
lots
अच्छा यार.
lots of celebrity, right? मेरे
Wow.
पास speed dial पे contacts होते थे.
हाँ.
So what that translated into was कि I was able to write my own articles. तो मेरे
Mhm.
article के साथ photo भी आ जाती थी.
Uh-huh.
So that was the first motivation and the first small victory.
Mhm.
What it led to was I realized that I also I just don't want to be a person who is a successful professional,
Mhm.
but also a successful person in life. You know, the worldly wisdom.
Mhm.
And I realized that as I was preparing for my college and exams post 10th and 12th grades, uh, everything I was doing or my peers were doing was very tunnel vision. I need to score this. I need to take X amount of coaching hours to get into this exam for this. And
Correct.
it was suffocating for me,
Okay.
and it did not map to my holistic view of education.
Okay.
And I explored various different educational opportunities. You could go to London, you could go to UK, you could go to China, you could go to Singapore.
But who gave you that exposure? Teachers or mentors or people
No.
who you know कि जो लोग गया था यहाँ पे US or London?
The first time I discovered this was when I was in 3rd or 4th grade. My aunt got married to somebody who did his masters here,
Okay.
and that's where I was like, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, you could go to a different country than yours, right? So then I realized that US, amongst all the educational systems in the world, was the only one which offered a more eclectic mixture of courses where you could customize it based on
Correct.
who you want to be. And I went rogue at Penn State, from taking psychology to ballroom dancing. उसके बीच में जितना भी आता है, I took all the classes in addition to be a computer engineer, because that was my end goal. I wanted to be a person, a successful individual in life, and not just on campus on my desk.
Okay. तो let's start with bachelors. हम लोग का ये तीन तो एक common है कि सब लोग bachelors हम लोग किए हैं. उसके बाद I'll go to masters हमारे पे. But masters में as you said right, हम लोग का बहुत tunnel vision focus था कि okay, if you want to get into IIT or any of the engineering colleges, हम लोग क्या करना है, या तो कोई एग्जाम देना है 12th में कुछ मार्क्स लाने हैं जिन लोगों को पास करना है, और उसके बाद बेस्ड ऑन दैट तुम्हारा काउंसलिंग होगा एंड जॉब होगा, राइट? तो तुम टॉप 5 में था, राइट? हम तुमको बताते हैं स्कूल में हम हाँ, अगर आईआईटी में तुम टॉप 5 में होता तो तुम आईआईटी बॉम्बे या किसी अच्छा, ठीक है, बट बीआईटी में इज आल्सो अ गुड कॉलेज, बट हम टॉप 5 में कभी नहीं थे, ठीक है? तो मेरा भी एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स था, एंड हम तुमको बताते हैं व्हाई आई डिड माय, and this is an interesting question मेरे को तुझे पूछना है. तो first let's get to bachelors in India, right? Bachelors in India में तेरे को क्या क्या benefit मिला being in top 5? तेरे को मतलब sponsor, मतलब तेरे को coaching sessions से free sessions मिलता था कि नहीं मिलता था? क्या होता था? तुम कैसे घुसा अपने BIT मिश्रा में?
हाँ, तो ऐसा था कि स्टार्टिंग से पर्सनली मेरा ऐसा रहा है ग्रोइंग अप कि थिंग्स हैव बीन ईजियर फॉर मी. अगर कोई बंदा कोई मैथ्स प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा है, इट जस्ट क्लिक्स इन माई माइंड. Even in right now computer science, if someone is explaining me a concept, even if I have not heard of it, अगर कोई अच्छा से explain करता है, then it clicks in my mind. So उस हिसाब से I always found it easier.
You had the knack for it.
हाँ, I had the knack for it. So at least by like age of 15 or 16, I didn't really kind of get into the standard like जो हम लोग के इंडिया में एक education mill बन गया है, where you just put the kid into a burner and they keep on studying hours and hours. But subconsciously मेरे अंदर था कि like I have to tunnel vision, as he said that कि sometime tunnel vision is not good when you are trying to grow in breadth.
Correct.
Like when you have to go like learn XYZ, but if you want to focus only on X,
that's the best thing ever.
तब तो tunnel vision is something important. So I think for me what happened was that since I was already smart, okay, and
not so humble brag.
नहीं
एक काउंटर क्वेश्चन है मुझको वैसे, I'll let you complete, but
ठीक है. हाँ, तो comparatively I would say I was smart, so I thought that कि if I'm able to focus on my studies, I should be able to get into the top colleges in India. Although you try to aim for the stars, then you end up being in moon. So I'll not say BIT Mishra is the best college in India, but it's definitely in the top 15, top 10 colleges. So like overall I think throughout my journey towards my first college, tunnel visioning on some of the learning aspect, like जो भी अपना normal grind है कि हाँ ये entrance exam के लिए prepare करना है, उसके बाद entrance exam के बाद you have to prepare for some other schools. कोई schools होते हैं हमारे इंडिया में जो कि they take their own exams. They don't go through your standard सरकारी entrance exam. So I think overall summarize करने के लिए यही था कि हाँ like I had to like hunker down and like study for hours and hours to finally get into a good college.
हम तेरे को पता है मेरा क्या था? हम तेरे ऐसे थे, मेरा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स था, हम टॉप 5 में, हम पता हम मेरे स्कूल का ट्रेजेक्टरी क्या रहा है, क्लास 1 से 7 तक आई यूज्ड टू बी इन टॉप 5 इश, कभी टॉप 1 नहीं आए. मेरा एक फ्रेंड है दिमांशु सिन्हा, फकिंग वो आज फर्स्ट क्लास से लेके 12th तक हमेशा फर्स्ट आया वो,
First
कम से कम
आया।
सेकंड उसको देखे नहीं हम, ठीक है.
सबके
And-
लाइफ में होता है.
हाँ, एंड वो अभी वो पता वो ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट पीपल दैट आई हैव मेट, एंड वो अभी स्टार्टअप भी कर रहा है इंडिया में. तो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. बट हम हमेशा टॉप 5 में रहते हैं, and मेरा तेरे कारण कि मतलब मेरे को लगता था यार टॉप 5 वालों को बहुत अच्छा प्रायोरिटी, मतलब अच्छा रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है टीचर लोग से, टीचर लोग मॉनिटर्स उन लोगों को बनाती है. तो हम बोले मेरे को अगर इस सब में घुसना है ना तो मेरे को हैक करना होगा सिस्टम को. तो व्हाट आई डिड वाज हम स्पोर्ट्स में घुस गए.
Like I'll add to that, you know, and probably for all the viewers out there who are listening to this podcast to seek inspiration on achieving something in life, you know, हमारे जो we have two completely different paths,
करेक्ट.
and we are at the exact same spot right now.
Yeah.
तीनों जन,
Right?
yeah.
So now the inspirational thing is there are people who grow because of the system. There are people who grow despite the system.
Mm-hmm.
By
And
fighting the system.
and I won't even say we
Fighting
were
is a strong
fighting.
word. मतलब bypassing the system, like loophole find करना.
I was, I like to think of it as coloring outside the boundaries. That's
Yeah.
what we were doing,
Mhm.
right?
Okay.
And at the end of the day, so the question I wanted to ask you was, you know, you were saying in the beginning, you found some of those things easier to achieve
Yeah.
throughout your, schooling.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think that dampened your ability to really challenge the status quo later on in life because you were sort of used to of getting things easier than usual? Because in my case, everything I did had to be a little bit of a challenge. So I find it in my comfort zone to sort of stay outside of it rather
Okay.
than trying to grow through the system.
That's
Makes
actually
sense.
a pretty good question, and I'll say say in terms of like my capability of making a livelihood, I would say no.
Mhm.
I didn't really have to like ekdam. I would not say that I would have to had to struggle quite a bit,
Mm-hmm.
but say trying out new things like getting into fitness, getting into like say some sort of sports, playing some random things like skateboards. I'm just talking in general in life. I would say that I still had to struggle and learn things, but just in the mere point of like how I can earn a livelihood, I'll say it has been easier for me. And I think yes, your assessment is kind of right. Ki as things coming easier for me in terms of like learning new stuff. I didn't really have to kind of fight a lot. But that being said, like when you are smart in your own school, you are like a frog in a well.
Mm-hmm.
It's when you jump out into the outer world that you realize there are bigger fish in the pond.
Yeah.
So I'll say that.
When did that realization come?
Uh,
DIT mesra में जाके?
you can say like it's at every stage in your life. Like say for example, when you are coming in first in your class, you feel like, oh, there's no one better. But all of a sudden, someone challenges you, and you end up being in the 5th spot. Then you realize, oh, there is competition there. Fit when you come to like a college like BIT Mishra, everyone there is either like the top 5 in their schools, or if not, someone who has the potential to be like the best. So the more you get older and the more you meet people, you realize there are people who are better at lot of things
Correct.
that you thought you are good at. So there's always some learning you can learn from everyone. But
That is what happened when you expand your bubble. तुम ज़्यादा लोग को बुलाते रहोगे ना, फिर पता चले अरे यार ये तो मेरे से भी ज़्यादा pro है, मेरे से भी ज़्यादा pro है वो तो that is not like that's amazing. मेरे को ये लग रहा है कि अब जिस direction में हम लोग जा रहे हैं ना, कि पहले होता था बहुत localized education होता था, but अब globalized education है. अब मेरे को ये चीज़ एक जानना है कि हम लोग अब तेरे को बताते हैं, I don't know तेरे को इंडिया का बैचलर सीन पता है कि नहीं कैसा है.
मुझे इतना idea है, I had enough idea for me to be able to
Make a
decide
decision.
where do I want to be.
So for viewers who are listening, right? So the way Indian bachelor system work is, you give an entrance examination, you enroll yourself into a stream in a particular college, and उसके बाद क्या होता है, first year में तुमको सब subject पढ़ाया जाएगा. Physics से लेके math से लेके bio से लेके workshop से लेके
I think that's common in America as well.
common in America as well.
Yeah.
उसके बाद second में तुमको option बहुत कम मिलता है. अगर तुमको move करना है ना, say suppose वहाँ पे एक hierarchy है streams का, जैसे computer science is deemed to be the best branch, right? तो तुमको move करना है, it will be based totally on your academic, तुम्हारा क्या परफॉर्मेंस रहा है. अगर तुम इस पर्टिकुलर CGPA से ज़्यादा ऊपर लेकर आओगे, then you're qualified to maybe move, maybe, not sure. ठीक है?
But that's for shortlisting. I think like since so many people are fighting for the
Makes
same
sense.
spot, there has to be some sort of shortlisting criteria.
Yes, and वहाँ पे फिर ये हो जाता है कि जो भी तुम ब्रांच में आ गए हो ना, ब्रांच का काइंड ऑफ फिक्स्ड करिकुलम रहता है
Yeah.
कि तुम कंप्यूटर साइंस में तो तुमको ये करना है, एक्सेप्ट फॉर सम एडिशनल क्लासेस लाइक फ्रेंच हम लोग को पढ़ाएगा, ऑप्शन था फ्रेंच, जर्मन, वो सब का, एंड कुछ और एक क्लास था जिसमें डिजिटल सिग्नल प्रोसेसिंग वर्सेस 3-4 ऑप्शन दिया गया था.
80% majority would be computer science focused courses.
And I'm particularly against this methodology.
हाँ, तो वही मेरे को जानना है
हाँ.
कि अगर हम लोग का जैसे इंडिया में भी ये है बैचलर्स में कि इट्स अ फिक्स सेट कि अगर तुम
Correct.
माइनिंग में है तो तुमको एक पर्टिकुलर पढ़ाया जाएगा,
Correct.
सेरेमिक में तो तुम अगर इलेक्ट्रिकल्स में है तो तुमको पढ़ाया जाएगा कंप्यूटर. अब हाउ डज इट हैपन इन यूएस में सपोज तुम जब बैचलर्स में तुम यहाँ पे एनरोल किया, व्हाट डिड यू एनरोल इनटू? तुम ऐसे ही घुस गया कॉलेज में कि तुम बोला कि मेरा कंप्यूटर साइंस पढ़ना है?
मेरा intended major computer engineering था.
ओके,
ठीक है.
एंड दैट इज हाउ यू एनरोल योरसेल्फ इनटू अ
Correct.
कॉलेज इन
Yeah.
यूएस?
So you share your intention of joining computer engineering or
Mhm.
any major, but first and even second year ka part, you have to pick and choose general education subjects or gen eds.
ओके,
Little different from India where you have to study multiple subjects all over the things,
हम लोग का हैव टू था ना? हाँ,
right?
हैव टू, यस, हैव टू होता है.
I could have chosen any subject out of, I don't know, 2000 classes available, from sociology to psychology
ओके,
to underwater basket weaving.
But I believe there's still like minimum number of credits for that specific
Yes.
subject. Like say you're bacheloring in computer science.
Correct. So you have a structure to the degree,
ओके,
but there's a lot of flexibility
ओके,
in it. So that's one difference, right? And the second thing is, which particularly I want to point out, ki bachelors, the problems with bachelors in India is it is against growth mindset.
ओके.
And here's why I say that.
Define growth mindset.
When it's the difference between I cannot do it or I cannot do it yet,
Yes, yes. That one word makes
Right.
a difference.
and makes a difference.
Well said by Satya Nadella as well.
I think it came from Carol Dweck
Carol
before
Dweck? Okay.
Satya, but see the difference.
I'm hearing
is,
it for the first time.
Yep,
but
it's right here.
Microsoft वालों को हमेशा ये बताया था growth mindset.
Okay.
And hua kya now, you know, if you are labeled as say an underperformer or underachiever who does not have the enough numbers, then the whole life trajectory is defined on that one number,
Correct.
and you cannot really change. What if in your third year you decide, you know, you want to do something different? What if you decide that no, now suddenly due to some change in circumstances, I feel more passionate towards computer science, but then you're stuck in mechanical
Uh-huh.
and there's nothing you could do about it.
Okay.
And I was particularly against this philosophy. I did not want circumstances that is decided on some arbitrary metric beyond my control
And you had
to
this
define
realization
my trajectory.
at 10th grade or 11th
So
grade?
I have
Much
one
before.
small question here though.
Huh.
Just say for example, we are saying that American bachelors may you have flexibility of like choosing some of the subjects, some of the topics that you like, but
Mhm.
at the end of the day, you based on like the whole credit system or whatever, like you chose majority of subjects that were computer science leaning.
Mhm.
So would you say that at the end of the day it is also kind of similar of like
No.
in Indian that you are labeled that you are computer, like say you might have studied various other maybe some classes from business, some classes from arts,
Mhm.
but at the end of the day like you shaped your education around computer science. So your degree kind of at the end labels you as a computer science engineer, quite similar to our bachelors.
Here's why it's not similar.
Okay.
There are two main reasons. So we have the computer science theme of classes
Yeah.
Mhm.
that we select.
Yeah.
Even in that theme, we do have some courses that are mandatory.
Okay.
You know, the smaller subset.
Okay.
But within this theme of computer science, computer engineering, and electrical engineering courses, we have a
Mhm.
lot of flexibility to choose. Do you want to take some cybersecurity focused classes? Do you want to
Okay.
take some AI machine learning specific
Oh,
classes,
okay.
right? So you could customize your computer science degree within it.
Mhm.
Okay.
The second thing is, which is the benefit of mixing your general education with your computer science. So I have, in the beginning, I was extremely inspired by Steve Jobs, and his thing was, you know,
your attire says so, dude. You're
exactly
अगर
turtleneck,
तुम
right?
देखा turtleneck and blue jeans, पूरा Steve Jobs types.
And he used to say greatness happens at the intersection of science, technology, and humanities. And I consider myself as to be a chief dot connector of things, connecting completely different random things to come together. Now, I took a psychology class in as a undergrad.
Okay.
Then I went into computer science. Now I am in, say, product management, and there are elements of classical conditioning. There are elements of the effect of colors and
Correct.
designs on your human brain that helps me design good experiences for customers in product and tech world. And unless I was exposed to this completely random different class on psychology and classical conditioning, I wouldn't have thought about this.
Okay.
So I think that is where the benefits of these different things comes. The only problem is these are not measurable.
Yeah.
I cannot put a metric and
You cannot.
with certainty say that this happened.
I
That's
think
where
the
it's
system
So,
is for like
uh,
different people. What happens is like in India, the majors are defined in a very static process. Ki these are the things that are defined, and यहाँ पे majors are defined in a very flexible process. Ki okay, if you want to get into a major, you can do a double major or a triple major depending on the theme of classes that you have. You have flexibility in those, but उसके अलावा you can also enroll into classes which you are passionate about.
Yep.
You were saying something. Sorry.
Yeah, मेरा question है, not question like would you agree that you felt that कि Indian education system is making people like trained in a specific field, and American you are trained to be able to handle anything in all the fields?
I'm not sure if I would say that, but I do think Indian education system, and not every system has its own problems. And I have one of the the smartest people I've met have grown out of the Indian education systems. But I think we need to evolve the Indian education system a little bit more to suit the needs of the world today.
Okay.
And the thing is, back in the days where you have one field, you choose that, you work hard for 50 years in that field, you become a absolute subject matter expert of it, and that was a successful career. Very similar to being a lawyer in a given firm and you move up to the partner level, or being a doctor moving up to doctor management.
Yeah.
The world is changing now, and one of the key skills you need is to be fluid.
Correct.
Can you move around, have transferable skills, be a smart generalist, and selectively master the things you need in that moment? And we need to be training everybody, the youngsters and ourselves also, to have the skills of changing fast and learning new things, relearning the old ones. And that's where we need a little bit different approach.
So मेरे को पता क्या
That is
लगता है?
where I differ though.
Yes, I
like
differ as well.
I think say for example the idea of like
Fluidity.
fluidity is good if you want to be able to do like somewhat satisfactory in all the field, but if
Fluidity
you
is a
see
luxury.
yeah, it
Don't
can
you
it
think?
can be sometimes luxury as well, that you have the capability of like you are free in your life to be able to choose between XYZ. But sometime what happens, like given say for example APJ Abdul Kalam, like he might not come up as like a social person, he might not be able to design a product, but he ended up like designing a lot of rocket science for India. So to be able to like achieve like true greatness at some point in your life, I think like I'm saying true greatness like are the people who are known by almost everyone across the globe. You have to kind of say this is it, this is the field I'm passionate about, and I'm gonna focus all my energy into it, because I think when you spread your energy into various fields, I think at some point it starts to diminish the results you get.
See,
from
here's
all
the
the
interesting point. Dr. Kalam is one of my role models too.
Yeah.
Wow.
The
I
thing
think
is-
he is a role model for a lot of
सबके लिए.
people.
The-
Yeah.
मेरे लिए उतने नहीं, क्योंकि हम उनके यार उतना जानते नहीं है. I've heard कि he is a great person, but हम उतना research नहीं
But
करते
now
हैं.
here's the thing, we see the world the way we are. And
Correct.
here's why I tell you.
Yeah.
You mentioned him to be this focused person on rocket science,
Yeah.
and he grew the the nuclear projects in India.
Yeah.
But if you truly look into his life, Kalam was a educator. His key passion was to educate.
Educate people.
He died giving an educational speech on
Really?
stage.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow,
His dream was to be a lifelong educator.
Shit.
When he got his heart attack, he was on stage, on his mic, giving a
Shit.
speech to students.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right? Kalam has written multiple books. He is an
Uh-huh.
amazing author.
Uh-huh.
He has probably given one of the greatest speeches on the international platform, getting standing ovations with through politicians across
Mhm.
the world.
Mhm.
So he was not just a rocket scientist.
Mhm.
He was an amazing educator. He was an amazing writer. He was an amazing orator and a poet.
But would you say that that came after he achieved his success, and then he said, "No, I've gathered so much experience throughout my life." Like when you become good at something, you are not becoming good at something just because of your own dedication. There has to be external factor. Like he would have met so many people who would have funded his project, so he would have eventually learned how to talk to people.
No,
or
no,
like
what he's trying to say is you cannot be so क्या होता है ना, as in you develop certain skills,
yeah.
for example writing, speaking, like you can nurture them along the way, but अगर core essential तुम्हारा बचपन में बनता है ना ये, so it's a very helpful. So what he's trying to say, he was not very focused on one thing. Rocket science में वो इतने focus नहीं थे. He also made sure कि वो अपने जितना भी expand करे ना ecosystem of skills that he has,
Yeah.
तो वो सब field में करे थे, वो अपने extra
Yeah, so the point
See, it's a self-limiting belief that you can only be great at something because you're a master of one and sort of generalist and all. Like we have seen multiple examples. We don't need a lifetime to be great at something.
Correct.
You can have mastery
In
of
10 years.
multiple things, exactly, across time.
Mhm.
And it is, I think, a self-limiting belief of people. We are giving ourselves an excuse
Mhm.
to not be a master of multiple things because, of course, it's a scary thought. I'm a computer scientist.
Mhm.
Now, tomorrow, if I want to be a chess master, it's an excuse. Like, I cannot be a master in chess because I want to completely focus my life on
Mhm.
computer science. But because, of course, it's easy, it's an excuse. But if I truly want to, and
You can take our time.
history has proven time and again
But
that
then
you could
again, the
achieve
point
mastery.
comes out that we have like limited currency in the terms of time. Like if you want to become a expert in chess, you will have to give like a huge amount of time. Like
Correct.
you can
Correct.
be an
So, but
you
why-
can learn
why-
you can learn like say for example 2-3 moves that are
Mhm.
very traditional and that can help you win 90% of the games. Okay,
Sure.
that you play. But to be able to win say like 99.9%
Mhm.
of the those games, you add this like you will have to sacrifice something in your life. Maybe you might have to sacrifice being a computer engineer to become that expert. I'm not saying that you are limiting yourself when you are trying to just focus on one area. I'm saying first of all, we have a limited currency in terms of time.
Mhm.
So there's only so much time a human being can spend on learning all the skills they have. But secondly, if you are good at something, to be at least great, like say for any field, Abdul Kalam might not be the best writer, he might not be the best educator, but he was the best rocket
Well,
scientist
I'm
India had.
I'm saying he was one
Yeah.
of the greatest orators and
Yeah.
educators and
So my-
writers, in addition to
Yeah.
being, a rocket scientist.
Yeah, just to wrap up my point and not like harp on it for long. I'm saying everyone should focus on like
Mhm.
learning new skills, like developing new avenues, and eventually like settle on like few things that they think is their passion. But sometime I feel like when having the options could be a luxury for some people,
Mhm.
like having
agree.
to choose between
It can be a deterrent for other people.
yes, like say for
The
example,
focus,
if I am like rich, I have today I want to eat egg,
Correct,
I want to eat
correct.
fish, I want to eat chicken. But when you are hungry growing up, you're like, even if you get a bread, you'll be like, okay, I don't give
Correct,
care. So sometime I feel like it's a matter of options that you have.
Mhm.
And I'm not sure how much, like I'm kind of getting stuck on APJ Abdul Kalam, but
Really?
growing up
मेरे पास एक और एग्जांपल है,
हाँ.
नॉट जस्ट एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, मेरे पास एक एकदम पोलर ऑपोजिट एग्जांपल है.
हाँ.
तुम लोग हार्डी संधू जानते हैं?
like the singer
Rapper
Nana.
or singer है, हाँ.
Yes,
चांदनी
Nana
कुड़ी,
Na
गोल
Gold
हाँ,
वाले
हाँ,
पैर.
याद आ गया, याद आ गया,
तुमको पता है
बिल्कुल.
उसका स्टोरी क्या है?
नहीं.
ही वाज एन अमेजिंग स्कॉलर सबसे पहले, ठीक है?
अच्छा.
क्रेजी, अपने क्लास में टॉप 2 में हमेशा आता था,
हाँ.
ठीक है? ही गॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन क्रिकेट. अंडर 16 शायद इंडिया को क्रिकेट में रिप्रेजेंट किया है वो,
अरे बताओ, वाह.
ठीक है. उसके बाद he did not get selected in the under 19 team because of some injury and all. So he became a singer and a performer.
Wow.
And he is the best performer in, like Punjabi media industry में.
Correct.
He's one of the bigger names
Wow.
right now. And वो movie में भी acting कर रहा है.
No, I completely agree with you though. Like, you know, paradox of choice is a very popular known phenomenon. Like, the
Mhm.
more you have to choose, the
becomes
harder
difficult.
it is to choose, right?
Mhm.
So every good thing, it's like tools and weapons, right? You could
Exactly.
use your phone as an incredible tool. You could use it as a weapon as well. So
Mhm.
it's one of those things
Yeah.
where your skill comes in. Ki you have to play around with the fluidity
Exactly.
and eventually land on few things that you want to be great
That are
at
close
in
to
that
your heart,
moment, that you're,
that
close
you're
to your
passionate
heart.
about. Because
Exactly.
it's all about passion, right? अगर passion होगा सब करेगा life में.
Exactly.
Right? तो ये तेरे पास था bachelors in US में, right?
Correct.
Was the same case with you in masters in US as well? तेरे पास fluidity और flexibility था क्या?
So I think why I kept on, like, before I answer your question,
Mhm.
I kept on like kind of talking my points when he was talking. Kyunki I have been in both the section, and
Correct.
I think when I was in India,
Mhm.
it was like lack of options.
Mhm.
So that shaped my education,
Mhm.
and when I came to America, it was the opposite. Like I had
Plethora of options.
more of options.
Uh-huh.
So I think that's why I said कि मेरे पास एक option था कि I can be on both the side and answer for both the thing.
Mhm.
So when I started my masters in America, I had an option to shape my expertise.
Mhm.
It's like the degree says masters in computer science, but
Mhm.
as you know, there are so many fields in computer science.
Mhm.
You have AI, then you have data science, then
Mhm.
you have people who work in core operating system kind of work, like
Mhm.
the core programming.
Kernels and all में.
Yeah, and some people are more in the distributed system. So domain expertise is like something that you learn during your masters. So although the degree says master in computer science, when you're choosing your professors who you are working under, or when you're choosing your courses,
Mhm.
it's completely on the student. No professor will come and say that, hey, I'm the best
Wait,
option.
really?
No, like no one comes and say that, hey, I'm the best, or you should choose me.
Mhm.
It's up to the student to decide, like, hey,
What their passion is.
what their passion is, and it happens at the very beginning itself. Like you have to make selections that will help you get better in that field.
That was a
Okay.
culture shock for me, by the
Yeah.
way.
Really?
Because I came in and I was like,
Even
wait a
for me.
minute. Wait, I have to choose my classes?
शुरू से बचपन से आज तक पढ़ाया जा रहा है खुद को, yeah.
We go to these classes and every teacher would come in and we have no choice. I was like, wait,
Correct.
I can choose the time of the classes. I
Mhm.
could choose. It was overwhelming, to be honest.
Mhm.
Initially, I did not like it because I was like, this is too much things for me to decide.
Yes.
Just give it to me. you
And
know?
पता है, this is one of the reasons why I want to do a masters right now. मेरे को experience करना है
हाँ.
कि how does it feel कि okay, I grew up in a system जहाँ पे it was very, I again hate to say the word rigid, but तुम्हारा kind of it was fixed into like what you want to do. तुम्हारा fixed slate रहता है कि okay, you have to get up at 7:30 in the morning. 7:30 से 1:30 तक तुम्हारे class रहेंगे,
Yeah.
ये सब subject रहेंगे, पढ़ो
Exactly.
and निकलो.
I did not feel responsible enough to be managing my. Suddenly, I felt like a grown up
Yep.
overnight. I'm like, wow, I have to orchestrate my whole life.
So
now.
masters or bachelors तुम लोग दोनों का, you just stuck with your passion or did you want to like expand your
So that
And
is
push
where I
envelope as
was
well.
telling, like, law of diminishing return. For
Uh-huh.
me, what happened, like, say, I know I like say distributed system, like
Correct.
courses that would be like more towards like the core programming.
Mhm.
Okay, but at the same time you have like growing field like ML and data sciences.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now when they are given you options like, hey, this is like, chicken, this is fish, this is egg, they're all good source of protein. Like,
Correct.
say you want to eat protein in your life. Now you will be like, oh, is my chicken organic or organic or not? Like, you're not concerned about like the actual thing, like the
Uh-huh.
thing is giving you energy
Uh-huh.
or just protein.
Uh-huh.
You're like, oh, whether
it
the
tastes good or not.
they taste good. Like, you will end up asking random questions, and
Questions.
then it makes it the decision complicated.
Uh-huh.
So for me, like, say some students are taking ML and AI,
Uh-huh.
and they'll come up to you, you'll have conversation, and they'll say, oh, ML and AI में क्या नौकरी मिलता है,
Uh-huh.
क्या पैसा है,
Uh-huh.
क्या growth है,
Uh-huh.
and then you'll be like, did I make the right decision? So next semester may like you get a conflict, like should I try to snuggle in some ML and AI ke courses, or should I make my profile in distributed system strong?
Now I have a question, Ismail.
Huh.
Don't you think this inadvertently is teaching you a life skill? क्योंकि life is full of options, right? अब तुमको choose करना होता है.
हाँ.
The fact that तुम masters या bachelors में you had a plethora of options and you had to
Yeah.
choose things
Hmm.
कि अगर ठीक है, अगर मेरे को अपना कुछ करना है लाइफ में, having that lifelong vision, having that north star vision कि okay मेरे को यहाँ say suppose तुमको यहाँ सियाटल से न्यूयॉर्क पहुंचना है, right?
Hmm.
तुम यूटा से पहुंचो या फिर तुम शिकागो से
Yeah.
पहुंचो,
Hmm.
ultimately वहाँ पहुंच रहे हो. तो do you think this like somehow intrinsically was giving you a life skill ki
Yeah.
how to like make decisions, how to like be stuck on the point ki, okay, if this is where I want to go, this is how I have to go.
You know, it's like they say that first you make choices and the choices make
Make
you.
you.
Yeah.
You know, so 100% I agree. And matlab, I so empathize with what you're saying. It
Mhm.
gets overwhelming, but
Mhm.
fundamentally what it is teaching you is that you need to be self-aware and
Okay.
Filter out the
self-exploratory.
noise and choose what you think is
Exactly.
best for
About
you.
what is your motivation,
Yeah.
Mhm.
right? And I'll connect it to the education piece also.
Mhm.
When it comes to choosing your courses or choosing your job,
Mhm.
you could choose your job through the best comp.
Mhm.
You could also choose your job through the best brand name.
Mhm.
Similarly, when I was looking through, finding my colleges in India,
Mhm.
it was extremely driven by ranking.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was toxic how ranking driven it was.
Okay.
Nobody was talking about the opportunities to learn.
Or
Nobody
networking
was
skills.
talking about, nobody was excited about education. It was pressure,
Okay.
about beating your neighbors in the
Mhm.
rankings.
Mhm.
And then that's how the questions people used to ask for, representatives of the various
Mhm.
educational universities,
Correct.
they would construct in what are the job opportunities in US like.
Mhm.
Can I
Oh,
get,
okay.
100K right out of graduation? See, but to
They were
those,
focused on results, not on the
my
journey.
answer to those questions would have been the job opportunities are as good as you are,
Exactly.
right? And so the life skill there is the self introspection of not doing the right thing, but also doing the right thing for the right reasons.
Mhm.
And that's a key life skill because
Mhm.
this will keep coming back to you in various different ways. First for right college, then for your right job, then for your right partner, then for the right place you want to live.
Exactly.
It's a skill. It will keep happening to you again and again until you learn it to truly look into your heart and figure out what you truly want.
So now do you think you're super thankful of like getting educated in US, be it masters or be it bachelors? Sorry, my eating alarm. 3
So
o'clock I
you-
have to have meals. So,
So
sorry.
now you buy us beers just because of that disruption.
But continue. Do you think like this was like a very big eye opener and this actually like elevated you folks in general in life?
I have like mixed feelings about
Mhm.
it. Like,
But why though?
Yeah, I'll say that yes, America does give me like a lot of freedom and lot of what do you say, capability of shaping my own career, and
Uh-huh.
it has definitely given me a lot of opportunity.
Mhm.
So I'm always thankful for that. But it also has some drawbacks, that in the sense that say at the end of the day, like I come from a middle class family, so I kind of measure everything in terms of return on investment.
Okay.
So yes, someone asking like, hey, can I like, even before they have started their education, even
Mhm.
before they went into the college,
Mhm.
asking that, hey, can I get 100K 6-figure salary, might not be the right question. But I think sometime when you are like in especially in America, I've seen some of my bachelor friend when I was in masters,
Mhm.
even in their third year, they kind of still feel lost. So
Okay.
now,
Lost in what they want to
like,
do, or lost
yes,
in terms
lost
of
in what they want to do. So it's like someone like him, he's
Mhm.
able to make a decision because he learned, he has some skill set and he's responsible.
Mhm.
But at the same time, there are kids who can get lost in the shuffle.
Mhm.
And in India, what happens, since everyone is grinding,
Mhm.
everyone around you is grinding, you
Mhm.
like you say that you are sum of 5 people around you.
Mhm.
So say if 5 people are grinding around
Mhm.
you, you'll be like, oh, I want to grind.
You end up grinding as well.
You end up
Correct,
grinding, and
correct.
it might end I'm not saying that you will be super successful or you might not grow in skills, but at least you have the skills to fight,
Mhm.
like struggle through things. with America, like he ended up being a good student. He worked on himself.
And I think
Uh,
I know the reason why.
Yeah, like he would have done something to like progress in his career. But say for example, there are kids who have a lot of options, and there are some kids who are well off. They don't really care. In America, dropping off from college is not a huge thing. But in India, if you drop off from your college, your social circle takes a hit.
Exactly.
Your family life takes a hit.
Your financially
Financially, you
like
take a lot
take
of
care
it.
of yourself takes a big hit.
Yes, so I think somewhere down the line, that is why I say I have mixed opinion. It has definitely given me a lot of opportunity and a lot of options, but I am talking in when I have the privilege of saying it.
Exactly.
Like say if I was in India and they said to me that agar hey Abhishek, I'll give you an opportunity to come to America, but you only have to study this one subject again and again for 2 years. I'll be like, fuck it, give me that opportunity.
Oh, you'll take it?
No, I'll say I'll
Okay,
do it because I'm coming to a better country in terms of like opportunities. Okay, but that is why I said like it's all relative to how you are at that point of life.
Makes
So
sense.
yeah.
Sparsh, I have a bold statement about you.
Huh.
I think you became super successful doing bachelor's here and you navigated your career in a very seamless manner because
What?
तुम इंडिया के स्कूलिंग सिस्टम से आया था वेर यू वर अराउंड ग्राइंडर्स वेर यू नो कॉन्सेप्ट्स लाइक जुगाड़ वेर यू न्यू कि तुमको लाइफ में कुछ करना है इज दैट स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट इज दैट स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग एंड इफ यस व्हाई
उस स्टेटमेंट का आंसर करने से पहले एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ मेरा मानना है कि we shouldn't be making this as a India versus US.
Oh, it's not. It's
No,
totally
no,
not.
no,
It's
it's
totally not. I'm
totally
talking
not.
about education system in general.
Exactly.
Yeah.
क्योंकि the thing is, I am a Bollywood fan.
Correct.
I think of myself as a hero of my own movie.
Oh, totally. Same to same. Yeah.
Right. And
I'm a Bhai fan.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
It's controversial. People will bash me, but I'm a
So,
Bhai fan.
we deal with, we play with the cards we are dealt with.
Yeah.
And the fundamental point was, initially I was trying to make it, irrespective of the path you take,
You're both.
you could reach where you want to be
Yeah.
with the right effort in place.
And right
है
intentions
ना?
as well.
Yeah.
So now coming back to the studying in Indian high schools, I definitely clearly see an advantage.
Okay.
And देखो क्या होता है ना कि I also was from a very middle class family, and a revelation on this podcast, doing a bachelor's is
Not cheap.
it's not cheap.
100,000 minimum, right?
Minimum. Now-
$100,000 just to give Indian audiences some थोड़ा सा
17 lakh.
ज्ञान is 70 lakh और minimum
अभी-
and सब expense करके 1 crore
this
minimum.
this was 2013 में 1 crore.
20 okay.
Right
way
now
more.
it's
And
more.
that's just tuition fees.
That's just
Exactly.
tuition fees. Yes.
Now here's some story, right? When I joined Penn State, my annual tuition was more than my family income. And coming from a very middle class family, my parents एक ही घर था, अभी भी एक ही घर है. मेरे मम्मी पापा, my parents are still living in that house. We mortgaged that house
Literally.
to take a loan to fund my education. What that translates into is, if I fail, my family literally does not have a place to live.
So you had a sense of responsibility to yourself and your family.
Yes, so that's
Okay.
one thing. And I think the wolf who's hungry will always
find
put
a
in
prey.
more effort than
Yeah.
somebody who's at the top. And I come from a world where I saw that iPod Shuffle was a new product in market, and I clearly cannot spend $5,000 to buy it.
Correct.
So I spent 2 months playing random online contests to eventually win one.
Okay.
Right. So I knew what hunger for your goals look like, and at the same time, my experience in the school where I wasn't a scholar, and I learned very early on that I could color outside the boundary
Yeah.
to achieve what I want, made me realize, well, I have a dream to study in a holistic education system in the US. And of course, the normal way would be, I have the money, I go and I do the things,
Correct.
right? So I was like, I don't have to believe that I cannot do it because I don't have the normal path to take. Of course, it was risky. It was a gamble. All of my family was against it. My teacher was like, "Tum jua khel rahe ho," right? I was like,
Wait, really?
It is like not they are not completely wrong though, but I just think they should not have demotivated.
But what exactly teachers
Yeah.
का responsibility is to
Yeah, they
motivate
should
them,
not
like,
demotivate the
मतलब
student.
I don't think उनका intention
intention खराब नहीं था but
but
बोले
they're
वो
saying
थे.
like risk and reward
और
you weigh it
बिल्कुल
out.
ठीक है देखो
हाँ.
बिल्कुल ठीक है
हाँ.
from anyone who is mildly rational
Mhm.
this is a risk way too big to do.
Correct.
You know घर गिरवी रखना, you know
That's not easy,
it's
dude.
a very big
But then you
risk to
got
take.
into Penn State. Like if there was some random college in America, I would have
वो भी
said
तेरे
like,
को
कि-
employ
करेगा.
yeah, it makes no sense. But
Penn
like
State
if
is one
you're
of the
coming
best
to Penn
colleges.
State, it
correct
makes
correct but you know more than my belief in the college
Mhm.
or my belief in you know the world I was in,
Mhm.
I knew that I will either get what I want or
Mhm.
I will die trying. Like
Trying.
it's big words to say, but
Uh-huh.
back then that was the only option.
Uh-huh.
There is no excuse, whatever it takes.
तुमको पता है
So
हाँ.
that's why
This is
I
the
had to-
amazing thing. Whatever it takes is something which मेरे पुराने टीम का भी motto था कि do whatever it takes. And one thing जो हम तुम लोग दोनों में देखे हैं ना कि even though your journeys have been different and the reason that you both are successful right now is क्योंकि तुम लोग में एक fire था and एक जज्बा था. And this is where I want to bring up a particular.
Sorry, Golan, I've already cleared. Things have come very easy for me.
नहीं easy again easy.
I'm not saying कि देख
Easy
see, you say I am
easy
fire.
is you
I will gladly take the
easy
point,
is
but
you
I
being
already
humble.
yeah.
Easy is you
Yeah.
being humble.
Yes,
ठीक है
that's
easy
true.
मतलब टॉप आना आसान है क्या?
कहीं
I
पे
don't
भी
think so.
एक लेवल पे लाइफ पे जाने के
Yeah.
लिए एक सेट एफर्ट तो
होता है।
डालना
डालना
ही
पड़ता
पड़ता है.
है,
कम
yes.
व्हाट में
अब
द जर्नी.
तुमको इलॉन मस्क बोल सकता है इट केम इजी टू मी बट उसका
हाँ.
10 साल का मेहनत कोई नहीं देखता ना.
हाँ.
तो ऑब्वियसली अगर तुम टॉप 10 में भी आया था टॉप में भी आया था दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ मेहनत दैट यू डू
Yeah.
राइट.
Yeah.
सो यू बोथ आर सक्सेसफुल राइट नाउ. मेरे को अभी एक चीज डिस्कस करना है व्हिच आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट फ्रॉम पीपल राइट. वन थिंग दैट आई सॉ बिटवीन यू बोथ इज लाइक तुम लोग दोनों ने अभी तक किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में कंप्लेन नहीं किया है. राइट. यू सेड कि यू गॉट लकी यू तुम इसमें ये किया तुम्हारे लिए ये एडेड बेनिफिट था ये था. बट मैनी पीपल आजकल हम टिकटॉक इंस्टाग्राम में देखते हैं ना दे कीप कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द फैक्ट कि अरे यार स्कूल सिस्टम ये गलत है वो गलत है स्कूल सिस्टम को हट जाना चाहिए. इट शुड बी रैडिकेटेड बिकॉज दे डोंट टीच यू फाइनेंशियल स्किल्स दे डोंट टीच यू लाइफ स्किल्स दे डोंट टीच यू दीज पर्टिकुलर स्किल्स राइट. तो डू यू मेरे को अब इस बात में मेरे लिए इसमें आना है कि डू यू थिंक एजुकेशन सिस्टम राइट नाउ ओके everything can be improved but what are your comments on like is the education system good or bad right now?
It's work in progress.
Exactly.
है ना?
हाँ तो
And on the point of complaining, देखो I also complain, but I use those complaints not as an excuse to not succeed. That's the problem.
Yeah.
If somebody says, of course, you know, I would have been great if
Mhm.
my education system was better.
Mhm.
Yeah.
No, I don't believe that. I know there are, you know, problems with education system
Mhm.
across the world.
तो what are the problems? Can you highlight some? If you know of any. क्योंकि हम बताएं क्यों मेरे को लगता है प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत कम है अभी एजुकेशन
I
सिस्टम में.
think
इट्स जस्ट दैट यू कैन ऐड सम थिंग्स जिसमें परफेक्ट बन जाएगा वो. प्रॉब्लम्स अभी एजुकेशन सिस्टम में इतना है
I
नहीं.
think मेरे लिए the biggest problem is two things. Okay.
Okay.
So when you're growing up, there is a definite lack or there is no clarity on like how real world things are.
Mhm.
So say for example, I'm growing up, I'm in standard 8th.
Mhm.
I'm learning trigonometry.
Mhm.
Okay, trigonometry makes sense, like it will make you a good engineer or whatever.
Mhm.
But at the same time, like I'm just talking not only in India, I'm
Mhm.
talking about America.
Global education.
Yeah. So at when you are like say in 8th standard, you are starting to realize how thing works, like how
Mhm.
things are in world.
Mhm.
So maybe like teach some tell student like, hey, there if you choose maths, these are the fields you can go in.
Mhm.
If you choose art, like just like on the broader section,
So career coaching.
career coaching, like
Okay.
say I was smart, I never thought like, oh, I even consider arts, like I
Mhm.
have won drawing competitions and stuff like that.
Mhm.
But since I was good in maths, I was kind of like, you know, tunnel vision or like going with the flow or like
Mhm.
following the masses, whatever you
Mhm.
want to say. But it ended up being good for me,
Mhm.
or it might have not been good for me. So I
Mhm.
think that clarity is missing in most of the cases.
Educational institutions
Yeah.
right now. Yeah.
And the second biggest problem I see is the amount of money mongering. Like I don't know the exact word.
Mhm.
Say he talked about bachelors in America. Penn State is a world class college.
Mhm.
Okay, but somewhere down the line in India, parents have like no kid, like I'll help, like his parents took out
Yeah.
a loan,
Yeah.
so he has like some sort of financial backing from his parent.
Mhm.
in America there is a problem, like when you are 18, kids father and mother said like you're done, we're not going to help you with your education. So the kid is kind of stuck with that huge loan. He doesn't have
Okay.
any backing up.
Generally speaking,
generally-
not for everyone.
generally
speaking.
speaking.
Yeah.
I mean, to
S-
clarify though, like
yeah.
the loan, it was all on me. I repaid it.
Mhm.
But
No.
again, there was
There-
a support
there are
that
Yeah.
came from my
Yeah, like I
parents,
meant
yeah.
not exactly like they will be paying the loan. I'm
Mhm.
saying you in India, like family still has like
They have your
education.
back.
Yeah, education is a very big thing for your family,
correct.
and they make sure they have your back. And even if they might like not eat one meal in a day, but they will make sure that
Huh.
they spend money on your
Correct. I've
education.
seen those situations
So-
as well. Yeah.
Yeah, so a lot of people around the world have exploited the fact that parents or their family member are willing to spend shit ton of money so that people get educated.
And made it a
So
business.
yeah, so they made it a business. So I think these two are the biggest challenges. One is lack of clarity about
Mhm.
like general awareness of
Mhm.
hey, if I'm learning this right now,
Mhm.
how will it progress to me in like say 10 years?
Mhm.
And secondly, like hey, being able to like get affordable education.
But do you know where that happens? Career education. Career education. ठीक है, अगर educational institutions are not doing it right, I feel that somehow it's your parents and your friends and your mentors'
But it
responsibility
might
as well.
might not be possible. सबके माँ बाप पढ़े लिखे नहीं होते ना.
हाँ.
Like say for
Privilege.
example,
Okay.
someone is labor in India. Okay,
Mhm.
they don't want their kids to be a
Okay.
labor. They
First
want
generation,
they
like,
want
जिन
yeah,
घुस रहे
they
हैं
want their kids to be educated.
Okay.
बट उनको नहीं पता है कि यार मतलब आर्ट्स लोगे तो तुम डिज़ाइनर बन सकते हो. अगर तुम मैथ्स पढ़ रहे हो तो तुम इंजीनियर के अलावा तुम कुछ आर्किटेक्चर में भी जा सकते हो.
Okay.
लाइक दीज ऑप्शंस आर नॉट दे ऑल दे नो कि हाँ इफ माई kid studies,
Mhm.
he'll not be working like how I am
Mhm.
working. So they don't like it's not always possible कि हाँ parents पे ही onus रख दे.
Mhm.
Again it's situation. Even if like I'm saying कि schooling education में if it is not included in your schooling, then it's very tough for people to get that information. Say for example he was able to do some research कि US में bachelors कैसे करते हैं.
But this is in the age of when we did not have a lot of internet access, right?
But-
you cannot have this complaint right now because right now एक हम तो बताते हैं मेरा ना एक
हाँ.
बहुत कुछ दिन पहले
देखो
एक
I
friend
think
के
I think internet पे they only teach you how to become a YouTuber and you ended
साथ
up
maybe
being
that's one of the things that's
I'm just
There is
making
an
it up.
element of privilege that exists. Like
Yeah.
in India, except for the bigger metros, there is still a huge chunk of population where even internet access is not that
Mhm.
easy of a thing.
okay.
Right. So I agree with that.
Mhm.
Um,
What do you think are the problems in education system?
see, my complain. I wouldn't even call it complain. I want to take it a step back. Is-
Constructive feedback.
Yeah, a lot of these things, like finding access to information,
Mhm.
trying to focus on your career.
Mhm.
Where does the motivation come from?
Mhm.
I have been in
Your
my
heart.
school, right? Like, मेरे teachers, they used to try to give some information.
Mhm.
Some of the students would, use it. Some of the
Mhm.
people will completely ignore it,
Mhm.
Yeah.
right? It's like, so sometimes even infrastructurally, if you provide everything,
Yeah.
people will not consume it for some
And this is
reason.
where I was going to like वही हम तेरे point बनाने वाले थे, but
Right.
continue.
And so, I don't know the solution, but there needs to be more commitment
Mhm.
from parents, students, and teachers to education itself.
Okay.
Like, again, part of it comes back to feelings, which
Mhm.
was the theme of the the evening today.
Mhm.
Still motivation,
It always is. By
right?
the way.
Still
Yeah.
motivation for
Yeah.
education
Uh-huh.
revolves around just money or some end goal like that.
Mhm.
So that's why people are not able to give importance to the teachers. Like in Indian culture, a teacher is given importance bigger than a god. There's a
Yeah.
doha where it's like if God and teacher is standing both together, who do you greet first?
Yeah,
And it's
teacher.
the teacher, because without teacher you wouldn't even know the existence of
Exactly.
gods.
Yeah.
And the problem is that even though our culture taught us that,
Mhm.
we are forgetting it, not just as students.
Mhm.
Sometimes even the teachers are forgetting that, and that's where
Mhm.
your point comes in. We are making it a business. So there are
Mhm.
people who don't give a damn about teaching.
Mhm.
They don't realize the kind of power and responsibility that they
Mhm.
have,
Mhm.
and yet purely for money they would
Mhm.
either run coaching institutes or completely make education a pure
Mhm.
business,
Mhm.
destroying self-esteems across
Mhm.
generations. So we need to change that.
Yeah.
Parents need to, you know, divert the way they, you know, talk to their kids about
Mhm.
education from an end goal, you know, getting X marks,
Mhm.
clearing X exams, or getting X job, to being a better person daily.
Okay.
And irrespective of a system,
Mhm.
education happens irrespective of school and colleges, whatnot.
Mhm.
Yep.
They need to instill that you have to keep educating yourself
Mhm.
day in, day out, rest of your life,
Yeah.
with and without any educational institution.
Mhm.
And that's the cultural element that needs to
It
be
has to elevate.
instilled in students across
Exactly.
the world, which is very important.
Do you know, पता मेरा problem क्या है education system के साथ? Firstly, what you brought, right? Career coaching, obviously important, right? And second, पैसा. And what you mentioned was like, the fire has to come within you, right? You have to inculcate an environment जहाँ पे ऐसा atmosphere breed किया जा रहा है, क्योंकि हम लोग तीनों भी उसी atmosphere से निकले हैं, right? हम लोग तीनों के life में या तो कुछ luck आया है, या तो हम लोग lucky रहे कि हम लोग के आसपास people have been there who have like set our mindset that way, right? So the biggest problem right now that I have with people and education system in India is that we have a lot of complainers. And the reason I say this
I
is,
agree.
when I say complainers, I don't say complainers matlab complainers who don't act on like improving them, but complainers who just complain.
To make
जो लोग act नहीं
excuses
करते,
for
to
being
make-
miserable.
To
That's-
blame,
Yeah.
they want to blame something for the lack of their quote unquote success. Obviously success होते हैं but किसी चीज़ में नहीं. And the reason I say this is because बहुत जन हम आजकल Instagram में बहुत सारे videos popular हो रहा है कि you should abandon schools, you should like totally cut off schools, STEM education हटा देना चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि school education में what they should be doing is they should be teaching us financial education, they should be teaching us ये सब. हम बोलते हैं ठीक है, अगर तुम, मेरे को पता क्या लगता है, अगर तुम एक स्कूल से, इफ़ यू केम आउट ऑफ अ स्कूल नॉट एक्सेलिंग इन मैथ्स, नॉट एक्सेलिंग इन आर्ट्स, नॉट एक्सेलिंग इन एनी सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज द गारंटी दैट अगर तुमको फाइनेंशियल एजुकेशन पढ़ाया जाता तुम अभी होते?
I will not give a damn about 401k when I am a freshman year of college.
Exactly. And not just that, अगर तुमको एजुकेशन का इतना ही है,
That's a nice
right?
point.
Yeah.
अगर तुमको एजुकेशन का इतना ही है, अभी यूट्यूब वीडियोस है,
हाँ.
राइट? इट्स नेवर टू लेट टू एजुकेट.
Exactly.
पढ़ो.
पढ़ो.
क्यों नहीं पढ़ रहे हो? If पढ़ नहीं रहे हो, the problem is not in the teachers or education system. It's about तुम्हारे में, it's not, there's no fire either to learn or to make
But
a
then,
step for yourself कि
but
तुम्हें success
then
हो.
I have like I want to use that point तुम्हारा.
Mhm.
So you're saying like complaining कम होना चाहिए. Do you think कि हम, मतलब ये just hypothetical question है. Do you think like India का education system में like say for example you know that तुमको इतना number नहीं आया, then you will not be getting an admit. I'm not just saying
Mhm.
comparing.
Mhm.
So that kind of like like when you're although under pressure, तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, then when you are working hard and you get the number, you kind of get rid of the
Fear.
fear नहीं, वो जो तुम बोल रहे हो कि mentality
हाँ.
की complaining का.
Mhm.
People say fuck it, I will not complain, I will
Mhm.
work hard and get
Mhm.
this number.
Mhm. Mhm.
And I know that's the only way through.
Mhm.
So do you think कि अगर to achieve anything, like I'm
Mhm.
not just talking about education,
Mhm.
कुछ भी achieve करने के लिए if you tell someone a path, like hey you have to do XYZ, do you still think that people will complain, or do you think that if they have the path, like the guidance I'm
Mhm.
talking about,
Mhm.
they will be able to say no more complaining, and they will be able to focus towards their goal?
So I feel there are two ways to either be successful or to have a happy life, right? And that motivation can be driven because of fear, because of passion, because of तुम्हारा life का elevation or thought process, or because of people around you, right?
I have a lot of fear of getting
Huh?
fired.
Which is fine, and that is what is making you successful probably.
Yeah.
That's why I'm saying ना, तुम्हारा success का अगर तुम्हारा north star किसी एक तरीका है, तुम multiple तरीके से जा सकते हो,
Yeah.
right? As long as तुमको पता है कि तुम वहाँ जा रहे हो,
Hmm.
that is what matters, and that is when you started complaining वाला चीज़.
Hmm.
तो ठीक है, complain करो, but A, तुम्हारा complain should be super constructive.
Hmm.
B, अगर तुम complain कर रहे हो, तुमको आना चाहिए कि if you're complaining
Solution के
about
साथ भी आना
solution, you should be getting to the solution bypassing or hacking the system और किसी की तरह, क्योंकि
Yeah.
अगर वो नहीं करोगे ना, तो
बिल्कुल.
you're अगर तुमको स्टेट ए से स्टेट बी में जाना है, तुम कंप्लेन कर रहे हो कि मेरे पास ये रिसोर्सेज नहीं है स्टेट बी में जाने के लिए,
Yeah.
फिगर आउट अ वे टू गो टू स्टेट बी. अगर तुम फिगर आउट भी नहीं कर पा रहे हो और तुम एफर्ट भी नहीं डाल रहे हो, then the problem is not in the system,
You
the
know,
problem is in you.
This reminds me of few lines from a very famous Hindi poem
Mhm.
by Harivansh Rai Bachchan, who's father of Amitabh Bachchan. It's called as Madhushala, and he goes, Madirale jaane ko ghar se nikla peene wala.
Mhm.
Madirale is in the house of wine.
Uh-huh.
So Madirale jaane ko ghar se nikla peene wala.
Mhm.
किस पथ पर जाऊं वे असमंजस में था भोला
Uh-huh.
भाला. Which path should I take to reach the house of wine? And he goes, मदिरालय जाने को घर से निकला पीने वाला, किस पथ पर जाऊं वो असमंजस में था भोला भाला, अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब, अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब, पर मैं ये बतलाता हूँ कि राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, पा जाएगा मधुशाला.
Exactly. वाह वाह वाह, ये बहुत अच्छा लाइन है कि just
Exactly.
keep walking.
Just keep going. Yeah.
People will nudge you in the correct direction.
Exactly.
And this is coming from the fact कि मतलब I have seen life a lot as well. 30 साल के हो गए हैं तो देखे थोड़ा बहुत life.
बिल्कुल.
And I've been again हम बता दें तुमको, I have been so lucky कि I have been surrounded with friends, family, relatives, teachers who always nudge me in the correct direction. बहुत ऐसे तुम बोला ना, बहुत जन के आसपास ऐसा नहीं होता है. तो probably my view and bias बहुत ऐसे, but as long as तुम effort तो मारो यार.
Exactly.
हम तुमको पता है हम क्यों ये realization में आए, क्योंकि हम जब ये podcast start भी कर रहे थे ना, I reached out to many people and this is something where I get my motivation from my parents and I owe success to like my parents, friends, family, relative, teachers, everyone. हम जब उन लोगों को हम एक दिन कंप्लेन किया कि अरे पापा आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग टू लाइक लुक फॉर वीडियोग्राफर्स हु कैन लाइक हेल्प मी शूट द पॉडकास्ट एंड ऑल. ही इज लाइक ओके इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड एनीवन, लर्न योरसेल्फ. YouTube है तेरे पास, कैमरा है तेरे पास, पैसा है तेरे पास, किसी चीज़ की कमी है.
Exactly.
The only कमी that you have is the will to work.
Yes.
I'm like shit dude, he's 65 years old right now and उनके पास अभी भी इतना ज़्यादा motivation है.
Yes.
I have to have that fire in me. And इसीलिए जब people complain करते हैं ना, especially अभी, और मेरे को ये podcast इसलिए करना था क्योंकि YouTube में अभी तुम देखे ना, पता नहीं TikTok में, Instagram में तुम लोग ये feed follow करेंगे नहीं, बहुत भारी तरह से follow हो रहा है कि अरे schooling system खराब है, एकदम abandon कर दो, it should all be global, लोगों को हमेशा जो पढ़ना है वो पढ़ने का मिलना चाहिए. नहीं, if there's, अगर firstly तुम system को blame कर रहे हो, right? अगर तुम किसी मेरा एक सोशल एक्सपेरिमेंट है, अगर तुम दो बंदों को देखो who have the same like educational ecosystem, same resources, everyone, एक जो स्कूल में जाता है और एक जो स्कूल में नहीं जाता है, there's an 80% probability, I won't say 100%, 80% chances are कि successful बंदा वो होगा जो schooling system के थ्रू जाएगा.
That 80% is just your guess or your saying
that is the universal experimental truth that right now अभी देखा जा रहा है जो.
Okay.
Right?
Like based
Most
on some study.
हाँ, बहुत जन रिसर्च करते हैं अभी. जैसे बहुत जन एग्जांपल देता है, अरे बिल गेट्स ड्रॉप आउट कर गया, ठीक है, सालाना फिकना ड्रॉप आउट कर गया, बट यू नीड टू रियलाइज वो हार्वर्ड से ड्रॉप आउट किया था.
हाँ.
वो किसी एरा कॉलेज से ड्रॉप आउट नहीं किया था, एंड वो अपने स्कूल में टॉपर था. ही वाज वन ऑफ द ब्रेनियस्ट किड्स. इतना सारा हैकाथॉन वो जीता था. वो at the age of 14 he was making his own computer, तो it makes sense for him. Elon Musk सब लोग पूछता है Elon Musk को.
Yeah, you have to do things for the right reason.
Exactly.
Again, यही बात है.
Elon Musk हम देख रहे थे, वो हर एक ओलंपियाड में टॉप किया है आज तक. जब भी कॉलेज में गया था, वो भी पेन स्टेट का पढ़ा हुआ है.
नहीं, मुझे
या पेन स्टेट या वॉटन,
यूपेन
सॉरी ओके सॉरी, पेन स्टेट यूपेन में डिफरेंस है.
वॉटन, हाँ.
यूपेन, तो यूपेन से वो पढ़ा है. तो एज इन दे people have backed their success because of the system that is in place. अगर नहीं है, अगर टेस्ला फेल किया, किसी तरह he found a way to make it successful. तो that is what, इसीलिए हम बोले 80% chances are कि जो बच्चा स्कूलिंग के थ्रू जाएगा ना, they'll be more educated. That being said, I don't say कि कुछ improve किया नहीं जा सकता है. And this is where the solutions come in. जब तुम बोला ना career coaching I feel is very important because अगर तुम देखा जाए ना, and this is something which I had a big realization. Growing up, I did not have sex education. ठीक है, इंडियन स्कूल्स में उतना होता नहीं है. बहुत सारी डेवलपिंग, आई वोंट से इंडियन स्कूल्स, बहुत सारी डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज के एजुकेशन सिस्टम में वो नहीं होता है. टैबू है, राइट? देखा जाता है पीपल हु हैव हैड सेक्स एजुकेशन वर्सेस नॉट सेक्स एजुकेशन, उन लोगों का वे टुवर्ड्स मैन्यूवरिंग टू लाइक हाउ दे सोशलाइज, हाउ दे approach sex is different than what we do. तो obviously sex education अगर help करता है, I'm totally in for the fact कि financial education डालोगे, how to like start investing, how to start saving money, how to start investing in stocks, definitely help करेगा. But complaining is a big no-no.
Yeah.
Right? तो तुम लोग क्या लगता है कि what are some few tweaks अभी education system में बनाया जा सकता है, especially speaking कि अभी हम लोग globalize कर रहे हैं, right? सारा classes online जा रहा है या फिर online education हो रहा है, right? Right from master class to Udemy to Coursera to everything. What do you think are the minor tweaks जो बनाया जा सकता है which can like help eradicate all the complaints that complainers make?
The thing is, you can never stop people from complaining.
And that's 100% accurate. Right? Everybody needs an excuse.
That's true.
But the tweaks that I will say that will help improve things would be, firstly is like having some sort of like even say for example teachers, like in education, the money making aspect I'm talking about, there should be like some sort of regulation by government or some people, like there should be some sort
teachers
of
are paid enough.
yeah, teachers are paid enough, and the fees of the schools are regulated enough that it's accessible to like lot of kids who do not have the financial background. And एक point के बाद, like say for example in America, like I'm talking about America, they say the number of administrative roles, like say clerks, librarians, and like people who don't actually teach but they are in the administration of the school, that has gone up way higher, like the amount of
Really?
money they make, like
Oh, wow.
yeah, that's
Good
an
for them, dude.
argument they
100%,
make.
yeah.
So they're saying that people who do not are not important for the education, they're just like important for some aspect, they are getting paid so much more. And how does college make sure that they keep paying these people so much more is by increasing tuition fees, like the money has to come from somewhere. So I think there has to be some sort of regulation ki there's only so much money you can charge.
Correct.
Charge from a student. So I think that's the smallest tweak I think will help, because at the end of the day it all boils down to how much money you have in your pocket to do anything. So until and unless like the education becomes easier, accessible and cheaper, we'll still have problems.
What do you think, Sparsh? ये तो बहुत बहुत अच्छा point बोला तुमने.
I
Investing in-
totally agree from the infrastructural point of view. My tweak, especially thinking from an Indian education system, I think I was lucky to be in a school where they were already making progress towards what I'm about to say. But education needs to be about seeking, not giving a set of information and storing it, right? And sometimes it looks like education, people say it's education, but it's a facade for indoctrination,
Yeah, correct.
where it
Wise
is-
words, wise Sparsh.
yeah, and
this makes
it's
sense,
it's not right to ask questions somehow, and people can get offended as you're learning. And I think you have to change that to a culture of asking questions and seeking knowledge and be open to differences. One of the things, the biggest things, was there was a hidden social norm as I was growing up about what is the right way of approaching education and what is the wrong way of approaching
Okay.
education.
There's no wrong way of approaching
Right?
education.
There was a hidden hierarchy of if you are studying this or if you're doing this, you are the better one versus the lesser one. Right? All of that should go away. And because I've seen direct impact of it, the people who ended up being in the lesser one category over years started to believe that they truly are the lesser ones,
Yeah,
even though their path was just different from usuals.
exactly.
I was fortunate that due to life events, I was able to see past it. In fact, I was able to show, I'm proud of the fact that I was an example to show people that you could jump out of that mindset. But there are still people who just believe that and just live with it forever. And I really want to change that. And this needs to come at the level of like middle school to high school. That's where, those are the forming years of
Yeah.
students.
That's where your brain gets elevated or gets like super fucked up as well.
मुझ-
And I feel, मेरे को पता क्या लगता है, तुम लोग दोनों जो point बोला ना, it's very correlated. क्योंकि if you start investing in teachers or clerks or people who work at schools, right, what will happen is there'll be motivation for other people to become teachers, right? कोटा या फिर coaching institution में teachers अच्छे क्यों हैं? क्योंकि they are paid so much. They're like, okay, if we pay you a lot, make sure you're firstly excellent and you're inculcating education system जो बहुत amazing है. तो मेरे को लगता है जब invest करोगे ना teachers के अंदर, I think teachers will be so elevated कि वो जो question of right versus wrong versus asking the correct question and be open to a culture which inculcates an environment जहाँ पे people can question you, and questions are not bad. अगर कोई KG का बच्चा पूछता है why is the sky blue,
Yeah.
it's a very normal question because he's curious. वो
Yeah.
out of curiosity पूछ रहा है, मजाक उड़ाने के लिए नहीं पूछ रहा है, right? तो I feel अगर investment teachers में सही किया जाए, this tweak I feel can change the entire system.
Correct.
But if that's the case, right, मेरे को लगता है government in general, I have a very firm belief, is comprised of educated people, and उन लोग कुछ smart हैं because of which they are leaders of the country, right?
Yeah.
अगेन कोई लोग बोल सकते हैं एक्सेप्शन है कि हायरार्की के थ्रू आया कुछ आया, लेकिन अगर उन लोग इतने स्मार्ट है तो उन लोग के मन में भी ये सोल्यूशन और ये प्रॉब्लम्स आया होगा, राइट? तो व्हाई आर दे नॉट डूइंग इट देन?
मेजर नहीं
What
कर
do you
सकते बहुत आसानी से ना.
क्या
So,
चीज, मतलब क्यों?
see, I have no experience in politics, but अगर मुझे लगता है कि I have X amount of funds and I could give these funds in project A that I know for a fact that
Will
drives
generate revenue?
people's opinion
Okay.
in favor of me and is doing good, and I could clearly show people that this is
एक
doing
bottom
good.
line hit कर रहे हो like
Then I'll probably, my ROI would be better there because
Okay.
देखो, I build a bridge and people can see it, and now they don't have problem traveling.
yeah.
That'll generate
Yeah, kids
additional
will not
votes.
come back and say that, hey, that government helped me.
Exactly.
Do you remember who was the chief minister when you were in school?
Yeah.
Who?
हम देखो हम
अच्छा,
लाइट
I
बना
don't
सकते
remember
हैं
that.
जब बिहार में थे, मतलब बिहार झारखंड था, तब लालू प्रसाद यादव, फिर राबड़ी देवी आई, फिर अर्जुन मुंडा आया, फिर अर्जुन मुंडा
बस like
अर्जुन मुंडा बहुत
See,
टाइम था.
these are the popular ones because they made name like अलग से. They are not known for education. Lalu Prasad Yadav is not known for like good education, no. And Rabri Devi is infamous for like instead of like signing on the paper, she used to like use.
But I came
thumbprints.
out of the system ना, वो हम नहीं बोले, हम बोले उन लोग अगर उन लोग क्योंकि हम
नहीं
समझ से
like
स्मार्ट
but
है.
it's boiling point to his point
ROI
ना,
वाला.
तुम नहीं, he said that कि politicians will invest in something that will keep their name lasting, like education में dude, you don't remember like तुम्हारे ये जो chief ministers हैं इनके policies क्या रहे हैं education के, but you would remember things that they did separate, like whatever like controversial या कुछ और चीज that is more visible and more क्या बोलते हैं like upfront than like education. Like kids will not come back and say that, oh, that chief minister's policy really helped me get educated. It's not like optical enough to get
but
re-elected.
multiple people will again, अगर उस हिसाब से देखा जाए ना, थोड़ा अगर पॉलिटिशियन एलिवेट करते थिंकिंग, अगर से सपोज हम इन्वेस्ट करते हैं इसमें पैसा, राइट, ज्यादा कंपनी यहाँ आएगा, ज्यादा इकोनॉमी यहाँ इन देश में लाएगा, डेवलपिंग कंट्री से डेवलप्ड कंट्री बनेगा, एंड इफ आई एम अ मिनिस्टर इस कंट्री का, देन व्हाट विल हैपन इज मेरा नाम भी बढ़ेगा. डोंट यू थिंक उन लोगों का वो मोटिवेशन फिर
they do it like say cities like Hyderabad, Bangalore, how they're built like that because
केजरीवाल भी है, राइट?
but that's like concrete terms, like companies are saying कि हम लोग इतना पैसा invest करेंगे.
Okay.
You see a big number like you can print on paper. That's what the point he was trying to say.
चलो एक चीज तो मैं बता देता हूँ. One politician I do remember specifically for education, and for one good reason, one bad reason, is Kapil Sibal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kapil Sibal because जब
हैरी
मैं
पॉटर के वो उसके
वो 10th का बोर्ड एग्जाम हटा दिए थे.
जब मैं 10th में था,
वो हटा, हाँ.
That he
तो-
see he talks about he remembers the name
Wait,
of the chief
देखो
minister.
कपिल
I
सिब्बल
know
ने
कपिल सिब्बल जो पीटर पेटिग्रू जैसा दिखता था हैरी पॉटर का.
हाँ exactly. So he brought a system called the CC, Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation,
Okay.
which was inspired by the US systems, which had an element of extracurriculars in your grading. वो मेरे को याद इसलिए क्योंकि जो नॉन स्कॉलर्स थे,
हाँ.
हम सारे नॉन स्कॉलर्स को तो ऐसे उसकी फोटो लगा के माथा टेकना चाहिए बिकॉज बोर्ड्स एट होम हो गए.
Wait, कौन सा बोर्ड हटाया और किस साल में हुआ?
2010 10th बोर्ड्स.
हम 2010 में हम 12th एग्जाम दिए. वेट, अभी भी तो सीबीएसई और आईसीएसई के एग्जाम्स होते हैं ना,
You
लेकिन
हाँ,
only
वो तो
have the
change हो गया ना
12th board.
systems.
You remember you gave a board exam in 10th.
10th as well. हाँ, 10th में अब नहीं होता है क्या?
नहीं, वापस शायद आ गया है वो. बीजेपी चेंज द सिस्टम अगेन,
ओके.
पर उसने हटा दिया था.
तो क्या होता था? सिर्फ ग्रेड्स, नथिंग एल्स?
नहीं एग्जाम्स होते थे.
Okay.
बोर्ड्स भी स्कूल में होते थे, लेकिन इट वाजंट लाइक किसी दूसरी जगह पे जाओगे. इट वाज दैट, एंड द अदर थिंग वाज दे डिड ऐड extracurriculars to your final grade, or what they used to call it the CGPA, जो 10 point scale पे मिलता. So your extracurriculars did add up to your final grade,
Shit, I did not know about
which
this,
to be honest I was in support of, and I do not like the fact that politics and the change in the government hampered that. But besides the point, वो एक अच्छा, इसलिए मुझे कपिल सिब्बल याद है. बट एक बुरा रीजन भी है. 10th class में I was the first batch to go through the CCE system. So Kapil Sibal sent letters to all students saying, I am Kapil Sibal so and so, congratulations, blah. And then उसके end में there was a line that since you went through this first system, congratulations. If ever in future you need any assistance financially for your education, don't forget to reach out to me.
Okay.
Something of that sort. वो letter था. Of course, print था. He was a politician. He'll say good things. Now come 12th grade, I'm going to the US, right? And of course, money is a problem. And I am doing whatever it takes. So I
You reached out to him.
I called him. His secretary picked up, and I was like, I want to talk to him. He's like, you cannot talk to him on phone. I was like, can I come? He's like, you could try. No guarantee. I went to his home in Delhi. I waited 3 hours, and imagine how crazy that sounds, right? I went to,
Education minister's
union minister's house.
Yeah.
No clue what's going on. Walked in. My dad dropped me and knocked in. Just walked in. He's like, I'm here to meet couple Sybil, and his office was right there. And I saw him, and he came out. And there, I just got a very dry response about, yeah, I'm in that ministry now. I don't control that. Whatever, some excuse. But so as a kid who was hopeful about this letter that this person would help me out.
It was a dream for you.
It was
right?
a dream. So I didn't get any help there. But so that's 2 reasons I remember him.
Shit, dude.
Hopefully, couple Sybil, if you see that.
But that's definitely taking your shot, because I wouldn't go to a minister's house.
Dude, but like,
But you took
kudos
your
to-
shot. That's what I'm saying. You miss the shots you don't take.
This is what, again, coming back to the point.
You would have been lucky if you would have actually said, like, take my money.
Yes.
That would have been awesome.
Coming back to
Yeah,
the point
yeah.
again, right? क्यों हम तुम लोग दोनों को बुलाएं? क्यों I feel that like I really have a problem with complainers who don't like find a way. क्योंकि ठीक है, तेरे पास भी problem आया, right? कि पैसा नहीं आया, and you were like, okay, fuck, dream है. You were like, okay, चलो try करते हैं.
Try करते हैं.
Trying is the main thing. अगर तुम
Exactly.
try नहीं करते, अगर तुम
Exactly.
you're not trying to find, और जैसे हरिवंश राय बच्चन बोले ना, if you're not walking on the way, if you're
Yeah.
not taking an effort, you're not being proactive,
Yeah.
नहीं मिलेगा. You'll
Correct.
keep complaining and you'll keep
Correct.
blaming on other things.
Here's an interesting thing और बताता हूँ. I think for people watching this podcast who are still students, especially in the US, the classic complaint, I think even master students have this complaint, is, we don't get jobs because of the visa issues, which is true to some extent. But when I was growing and doing my bachelor's, I saw this excuse that international students don't get job consistently for them to not put in effort. Right? Now, I'll tell you one of the craziest interview experiences I had. I interviewed with Airbnb. I never got selected through their online portal.
Okay.
I never got selected by reaching out to people on LinkedIn. So I was like, fuck it. I saw a TED Talk by Joe Gebbia, who was a co-founder with Brian Chesky. He gave a TED Talk on design and
What has he co-founded?
Airbnb.
Oh, Airbnb,
Brian
okay.
Chesky.
मेरे को
and
पता नहीं था क्या
He
था.
was
हाँ.
talking about Airbnb.
Okay, but I thought like TED Talk किसी और का देखा होगा.
No,
हाँ,
so
but
Joe
continue.
Gebbia and Brian Chesky co-founded Airbnb,
Yeah.
and they spoke about culture and the kind of people they want. So I was like, I will send an email to Brian and see what happens, the co-founder, right? And I wrote, and I didn't know his email, so I went brian@airbnb.com,
Logical.
bchesky at airbnb.com, Brian Chesky, all possible permutations. The subject line was, let me prove my passion once. And then I did not add my resume in that email. I was
Okay.
like, I know that these are the kind of people you want in your company. Here is my story. And if my story resonates with me, I would love to work with you. And back then, there used to be this thing where you add a tracking pixel in your email. So you would know when the email is being opened up,
Okay.
right?
Wait,
So
really?
How do you do that? I want to know.
हाँ
that.
मेरे को भी
Maybe,
जानना है.
So now-
maybe offline we can do that.
Yeah, let's-
I think Abhi now the browsers are getting smarter, so
Yeah.
it's just like a dropping a pixel, like a link sort of that is
Okay.
invisible. So
Okay.
whenever you open that email,
Okay.
it loads a link and it tracks it.
Okay,
ठीक है?
okay.
So I wrote, I sent this email to him, and I could see over the next 1 week that email was being opened up 15, 16, 18 times. I was like, what is happening?
He forwarded it.
And he forwarded it to somebody who
Fuck.
forwarded to somebody who forwarded to
Oh
somebody.
my god.
And I got a email from a recruiter saying, "Hey Sparsh, Brian wanted me to call you." Imagine
Nice.
the weight of that
Shit,
interview.
dude, that's amazing.
Right? And I have that email with me whenever I go back to my college. I
Uh-huh.
used to be a career ambassador for
Uh-huh.
Penn State, so I shared this story. I was
Mhm.
like, whatever it takes. That's what it
Whatever
takes.
it takes.
Whatever it takes.
You have
yeah.
to do that, dude. कुछ भी करना है ना,
Yeah.
whatever you have to do. तो पता नहीं शायद क्योंकि कोई पता है कि नहीं. And this is why whatever it takes is the motto for my life as well. Third year में जब हम थे ना, किसी को आज तक मेरा स्टोरी नहीं पता कि हम एपिक सिस्टम्स में कैसे हैं. हम डायरेक्टली जॉब यहाँ कैसे ढूंढे बैचलर्स के
हाँ.
बाद, राइट. व्हाट हैपेंड वाज सब लोग थर्ड ईयर में कॉलेज का पढ़ाई है, ऑब्वियसली कर लो, कॉलेज का पढ़ाई इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट. यू हैव टू स्टडी, यू हैव टू गेट ग्रेड्स. थर्ड ईयर आई हैड दिस इंटरनल डिजायर इन मी कि यूएस तो आना ही आना है, एंड दैट केम फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट कि आई हैड नेवर ट्रैवल्ड इंटरनेशनली, राइट. एंड व्हेन आई came to my college for the first year, I saw two people. First one का तो नाम I don't remember, but Nitan Singh is the second guy जिसको 56 लाख का जॉब लगा था Microsoft US में.
Yeah.
As like फर्स्ट ईयर से मैं था कि मेरे यूएस में जॉब लेके जाना है, बीआईटी मेसरा से कुछ भी
अभी that sounds like a no like 80K in US.
जो भी, हाँ जो भी, बट उस समय in 2010 it was a big deal,
Yeah,
right?
it was a big deal.
So I was like थर्ड ईयर में आप जॉब ढूंढना है. I was not the proest coder at all. I was like
Yeah.
amongst like very नीचे वाले
हाँ.
में. I was like ठीक है, अगर मेरे को यूएस में जॉब ढूंढना है, I have to start talking to recruiters अभी से.
Correct.
एक साल, तुमको पता, हम एक साल तक on a daily basis, Monday to Friday, I used to send emails to recruiters of Epic, Facebook, Microsoft, जितने बड़े बड़े कंपनीज हैं, सबको. आज तक किसी को नहीं पता ये चीज़, ठीक है. एक साल तक हम सबको ईमेल भेजते थे, ऐसे तुम पता ना स्टोरी, अपना स्टोरी क्यूरेट किए थे. और मेरा ऐसा था कि हम I super believe कि your email should contain the skills that you can add, the value that you can add.
Exactly.
Resume सब भेजता है, सब करता है. I was like, this is the value that I can add to your company. ये सब website हम बनाए हैं. I'm not the strongest coder जो भी है, but these are the things that I've done. ये मेरा passion है.
Did
This is how I can
actually mention that I'm not the strongest coder?
नहीं, वो नहीं, but kind of the fact that I was not
You
mentioning
were
coding,
adding the like values that you can add.
values that I can add.
Yeah.
ठीक है. एक साल तक हम किए हैं, किसी का रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आया. बहुत जन का कंपनी का रिस्पॉन्स आता कि वीज़ा नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, ये नहीं है.
हाँ.
एक साल के बाद एक रिक्रूटर मेरे मैसेज की कि ओके, आई हैव लाइक हर्ड फ्रॉम अ कपल ऑफ माय कलीग्स दैट एवरीवन हैज सीन योर ईमेल, सो आई एम
हाँ.
सुपर इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग यू इन द पाइपलाइन बिकॉज़ आई हैव नेवर सीन सो मेनी पीपल लाइक badger me.
I will also add my experience. So as you already said ki like international students sometimes find it easy harder because of job. So that's more true towards internship than compared to like say jobs. क्योंकि like say internship every company say if they hire 10 people for normal job they will hire only one intern. So by default like the volume of number of
It's
interns
less.
in a company is way less.
Correct.
So during my internship I would have applied to at least 400-500 companies like throughout like 6 months or whatever time period, and I was not even getting like interviews भी नहीं मिल रहे थे. So I at that point of time like after say 200 companies I could have said कि I'm done, I don't wanna
You did not give up.
I don't wanna try. But at that moment of time in my mind I kept on saying that all you need is one internship.
Exactly.
All you need is one
One
internship.
opportunity.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Luck,
Like,
तुमको पता है ना, luck is
Yeah.
when preparation meets opportunity,
Yeah.
and I'm pretty sure तुम prepare कर रहा था.
Yes.
All you need is one opportunity for you to be lucky and get in the job.
Yes. So I think उस case में that's what I'm saying कि अगर हाँ always trying always helps. Like I'm also inspired by his examples where he was actually trying to meet a union minister. A lot of
Yes.
people will feel like that's kind
Intimidated,
of insane. Yeah, huh.
That's insane. Like
yeah,
my
people will say like, what would happen? People will
Yeah.
shoot you. Like it might be possible that someone might think that you are, trying to meet a union minister without having any motive to meet.
Yeah.
So I think
He had a motive though.
Yeah.
but
yeah.
but thank you so much people, like as in ये इतना अच्छा amazing conversation, and the only thing that I want everyone here like who's listening to this podcast, the reason I brought these two people who are super successful in this field is क्योंकि उन लोगों का story सुन के तुम देखे हो, right, कि ठीक है you can complain but as long as you keep trying there is no way you won't be successful. So all I'll say is like जो हम लोग का basic theme, I'm pretty sure ये theme बन गया है, is going to be whatever it takes, do whatever it takes for you to be successful rather than complaining, blaming and putting it all on someone else or on the system or something. If you pick yourself up and start doing, कभी ना कभी success आएगा. So with that, thank you so much people, thank you so much for being.
And yes, you do need people to keep on motivating.
Definitely, you need to have a
support system.
You need to have a support system. You need to be surrounded with people who are like-minded as you, who are not zero sum at all, who help you grow as well as they grow along. ऐसा नहीं कि अपने grow हो रहे तुमको खींच नहीं रहे. So this is something again, concept which I learned something, but this is something for a different topic. But thank you so much people for tuning in for another podcast. Thank you Spurs, thank you okay.
Thank
people,
you, Golden.
Thank
जल्दी
you for
जल्दी
having
जाओ
me.
जाके इसको लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करो अभी के अभी. बाय, पीस.